when you're brush painting, you really do want some good quality brushes, such as Harris Smooth Glide, as the ones for household use, they're made of nylon bristles and they're just too coarse for doing what we're doing. So I went to eBay and I got 15 of these Harris brushes in a set for £10, which was really good value. It's normally a brush like that, you know, a couple of them you could be talking about £15 for a brush. Yeah, a brush like that size is about £15, and the reason it was going cheap was just because the handles were slightly scratched. But that was a good buy.